Okay, so I've cleaned off the block and I've cleaned off the other surface, which is the crankcase, stiffening. So that should seal up very good now with some good sealant. I'm going to use the Toyota sealant that they recommend. These are my rods. I-beam rods. Manly. With Weisco pistons. ARP bolts. You come over here and look at the other one that I have cleaned up. All the grooves are cleaned out. And that should do it, I would think. Yes, I gotta clean this side out. That's the last part I'm gonna do. And then I'll flip it over, drain everything out, and then flip it back over and start reassembling. I really wanted to concentrate on this side first, clean this area up. If you look over here, alright, you can see that it gives us a diagram. We start here, we go around. This is valley right here. We're gonna go around that. And then goes up, up, straight across, up, and then in over here. Now, he had it where he was going like this. He filled all that around. He filled all this around. And all this up around. So too much, I think, was possibly causing the problem. I don't know. But we will check it out.